don't know if I can win as an independent candidate. I don't know. I don't know if the Baweños will support me if I run for independent and the Batsara is my president. I don't know if they'll vote for me. Ang gusto ko lang, manalo lang si Sara Duterte. Yun lang talaga ang gusto ko. I can always serve in another capacity. I'm still healthy, still working very well and fast. I just want a president na will have zero tolerance for corruption.
Attorney, na-mention mo kaganina no na when VP Sara will call your attention na pwede ka mapil sa iyang slate, what if dili? Will you still support her?
Of course. I already said that. Hindi na nga ako kailangang tumakbong senador eh. Kaya lang i-endorse na ko sa Cebu Alliance. Leyte Alliance also inviting me. You know, because there's no Visayan candidate for senator. They have claimed me as a Cebuano candidate. So much so that now I'm going to rent a condo in Cebu. So I will save money on hotels. I'll just rent a condo there so me and my staff can just stay in the condo. It's cheaper than staying in a hotel. And who's going to say that I'm not Cebuano if I speak Cebuano? Kapamalikas pagkari kong Cebuano. Whoa. Who is going to say I am not a Cebuano candidate ko? Ang mga taga Cebu mo yung maingon nga, sino may nagwanson may amuhang kandidato ka Cebuano? Oh. 67 years walay senador ang Negros Occidental kag Oriental since Senator Locsin. Since the Osmeñas, 10, 12 years, walay senador from Cebu. Yun silang, di man na siya Cebuano ba? Abot ni mo sa imong lubot.
Attorney, na mahimong changes sa imong partido?
Sa akong partido, amo ko'y partido.
Or will you be joining?
I'm very independent, day. Samukan ko aning mga partido nga diktahan na po ko. Di ganyan, kasi ganito ang partido line natin. Samuk-samuk ka masikat pamangko nimo nga. I don't know if I can win as an independent candidate. I don't know. I don't know if the Baweños will support me if I run for independent and the Batsara is my president. I don't know if they'll vote for me. Ikaw, you'll vote for me pa? Kana, tagada po mo na. She still vote lagi.
Are you not also joining PDP, Attorney?
No, I cannot join any party for now. Remember, I was Comelec commissioner. I have some things, you know. Sinasabi ko na, huwag na lang ako mag-party-party. Kasi mabuti na yung lahat ng tao kahit anong partido nila. Kung ganahan sila na ako, boto sila. Di sila ganahan na ako, ayaw. Ayaw ko na niya kay nanay. Wow, man, ingon ni mong boto ka na ako, good. Kinsa may nagpilit ni mo. Diba? What ay pilit tayo ani? Pero Sara, ta? Siyang inanay, di ko anang Ruwen ng Gwanson, okay raday. Basta Sara lang kaday. Yan ang kampanya ko. Kasi wala naman tayong kasiguruhan eh. Dito malakas tayo. Sara tayo. Pagdating doon sa Calabarzon, mababa si VP Sara Duterte doon. Negros Occidental, mababa. Region 6, mababa. Yun nga ang burden ko eh. Kasi ang mga region ko doon siya mababa. Why? Anti-Marcos ang Region 6 eh. Pero predominantly liberal party. Dilaw.
Just in case Leni Robredo will run for president.
I already committed to support Sara Duterte. It's too late now.
But how do you describe VP Sara, Attorney?
I saw her today. I told you, I said in my speech. Did you listen to my speech?
Pero,
I see a woman as a calmness, but a strength of character. Has the will to lead us into reform. Because you know she's the eldest, so she's used to a leadership position from the start. And she speaks softly, huh? I think she spoke softly today that I had to restrain myself. Si Sara Duterte lang pala ang makarestrain sa akin. Because, again, she said it with authority and firmness, but gentleness. You follow me on Net25, PGMN, my Facebook. If you like to see me dance, you go to TikTok, Barda Queen. And, well, every day, I'm in my Facebook, pero every day meron na akong punto bonito sa Cebu. Nga 2 minutes lang. Ipukaw ko niya ganina. Siya, ang bagat Cebuano, ma'am, ganahan kaya ni mong makadungog silang gasilibuano ka. Ko, sige. Pukaw pa ko ugba, kay buyawon ta na kay Lunggo. Ayan sila, marado kong si Digong. Sige naman kong pamalikas. Kaunsang man di ay. I was born between 3 boys. I was raised by my father. Oh, frequently, pag mag-ano gani ng mga kawatan, mga yudiputa. Te? Lintian ka mo sa mga... I come from a family that's very principled, very honest ang upbringing. Saka excellence. Very bright. So bright that God gave us Greg, who has autism. And so now, no matter how maingay kami, pag pumasok si Greg, we are all quiet. Because Greg is our true north. Nasabi ko sa inyo, may Diyos ang kalibutan. Yan yung tanang ginahimo ni Marco sa aton. May hangganan din ito. Malapit na. Kung si Digong pa, they will have their comeuppance.
Attorney, naging critic ka ba ni Digong?
No, in fact, I did not disqualify him. How can I criticize him? We were mayors together. Besides, I was commissioner when he ran. And as I said there, if you were covering it, I did not disqualify him. I disqualified Grace Poe. Why will I criticize Digong? I like his style. I think we have similar style. I'm just prettier. I think that's why he liked me. Because, I was 27 years old, I was carrying a gun.
Attorney, sino mga panginaon karon sa sitwasyon ni former President Duterte?
I think he's very lonely. I explained this to Lorraine Badoy na that is when I turned. During impeachment nila against Sara, hindi pa ako masyadong emotional noon. Noong nakita ko si Kitty, when they captured Digong, and Kitty was so helpless, bata, and Digong just wanted her to go para hindi na siya ma-humiliate doon. That's when I turned. And I saw Kitty. I turned. I said, ay di po. And then, my sister also, dilaw na dilaw kami, ha? God, anti-Marcos kami, pero Cory. Sabi niya talaga, my brothers and sisters, we turned. Kasi we are very close as a family. Nung nakita ko yun, that's Kitty who made me turn. In fact, we're going to see each other for brunch, hopefully, while I'm here. Grabe nang himo nila kay Digong. Pwede lang man nila dire ipriso si Digong ba? Nga, dito nila ipapriso. Cruel gini Bongbong Marcos. Cruel. Ewan ko. Sino mauna sa amin mamatay? Kasi siya, pumapayat siya. Ako, tumataba eh. We were born in the same year. But I don't take drugs. So I look healthy. I don't take drugs. I don't gamble. I don't drink excessively. Diba? Dati, pag pinapainom ako, para hindi ako magmaoy, yan, classmate ko yan, attorney nandyan, oh. Siya umiinom ng baso ko. Mamaya tingnan ko yun, ubus ng baso ko, sasabihin niya, Gwanson, uwi na tayo. Nakainom ka na ng marami, pero siya pala na lasing. Kasi inumin niya yan ng inumin para hindi na ako malasing. Eh kung malasing ako, basi magmaoy ba? Balo ka ng maoy? So, I don't drink excessively. So, if you see my track record, all the work I did, I finished with excellence. I entered Cadiz. It was a third-class deficit city. I left it as a first-class surplus city. Number 1 in basic services for children. Number 1 in immunization, maternal, child care, etc. I did better than Cebu in maternal and child care. So, when I went to Harvard, I was class marshal. Hindi lang ako Edward Mason Fellow. Binoto pa ako na class marshal. Sabi ko nga, pati ba naman dito, boboto pa tayo? Sabi ng mga Pilipino, kailangan Pilipino ang class marshal. Bakit man? Para una tayo doon paglabas sa Harvard. May plug ka dito. Oh, for the honor. For the honor. Sabi ko, sige, part. May vote buying ba dito? Wala. Pakainin na lang natin itong mga kano. Wala. Tawag meeting. Ang mga Israeli, ang Chinese, ang Japanese, ang mga Japanese students, dato man, sige, golf. Oh, we don't know how to cook. Okay, you treat them to dim sum. Mga kano ni, mga voters, you treat them. You explain why I should be class marshal. Daog lagi. Kaya mga kano, ganahan, mga kayo makaon. Mga Indonesian, luto Indonesian. Yung mga BIR na Deputy Commissioner, kusinero ko lang yun. Isang classmate ko ngayon, Father President na sa Ateneo, Father Bobby Yap. Everything that I was tasked to do, I did finish excellently. I finished in the number 6 in my class. I was even number 3, but I joined my sorority, the Delta Lambda Sigma. Finished. Always finish with excellence. Kaya, ang gusto ko lang, manalo lang si Sara Duterte. Yun lang talaga ang gusto ko. I can always serve in another capacity. I'm still healthy, still working very well and fast. I just want a president na will have zero tolerance for corruption.